Coming to public health engineering, sir, when we talk about Jal Jeevan Mission, yes, we thank the central government for this important initiative. But however, sir, we cannot deny that the JJM scheme has faced many challenges and issues. Sir, in village where there is no proper gravity-based water supply, has to be pumped. People face difficulties varying the cost of fuel for pumping. I humbly request the government to explore ways and means to address this very issue. For your kind information, sir, in my constituency, villages such as Iing, Mawhati, Raitong, and many others are facing critical water supply problems. In some cases, people are compelled to buy water. Therefore, sir, I request the government to take immediate and effective steps to resolve this matter.